Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long it takes Flinks to verify an account connection. Flinks is a financial data platform used by many businesses to connect to and access a customer's bank account data securely. The primary goal of using Flinks for account connection is speed and efficiency. The simple answer to how long does it take is typically seconds or instantly. When a customer goes through the Flinks Connect process, they select their financial institution and securely log in using their online banking credentials. Once this connection and authentication is complete, Flinks is designed to provide instant access to the financial data requested by the business. This is why many Flinks-enabled applications promote instant onboarding or verification in seconds. This instant connection allows businesses to perform tasks like instant identity verification, real-time balance checks, income and employment verification in real time, quick loan application processing. The goal is to eliminate the days-long wait times associated with traditional manual verification methods or processes that rely on microdeposits. There are, however, a few potential exceptions where data retrieval or processing might take slightly longer, though still very fast. Enrichment services. While the connection is instant, the process of enriching or translating the raw financial data into specific insights can take a few minutes. For example, if Flinks is analyzing months of bank statements, the full report might take a little longer to generate, but the initial connection is complete. Document uploads. If the user is uploading bank statements instead of directly connecting, the process of analyzing the uploaded PDF or image files might take up to 10 minutes. Or potentially up to 90 minutes in rare cases for full processing, as stated in Flinks documentation. Technical issues. Rarely, issues like temporary bank downtime or connection errors could cause a brief delay, but these are typically addressed quickly within the Flinks interface. Overall, the core account connection and authentication is virtually instantaneous, and the delivery of the requested data or insight is designed to be completed in seconds or minutes. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.